done working out. And I got banana on my face. I always like banana on my face after workout because it pulls all the dirt out of my skin and everything and just makes my skin feel healthy. But what we're going to do is with this Slovak chicken, we are going to use 7 pieces of parsley, 10 pieces of cilantro, and 7 pieces of fresh mint. We're going to cut this all up. Cut it, chop it, however you want to look at it. And we're going to, I should have it done. And then we're going to leave it cook. And then we're going to have a nice dinner tonight. Hope everybody's staying healthy. Okay. I always rinse out my pan. Because I have 3 fur babies that like to get in my cupboard sometimes, and when I'm not home, I don't know, and I don't want cat hair in my food. And normally do they get no, but I do have one that she used to be able to open up my cupboards, and I got 2 that do like to open the cupboards, so. But they're pretty good about it. So we're just going to chop our mint, and I'll show you how the chicken is. This is probably one of the most yummy recipes. I normally, growing up, we didn't put fresh herbs in it. Only sometimes. My dad wasn't real big on that. I'm real big on fresh herbs. I don't know, I just like the herbs. I think it makes anything taste better whenever you can get fresh. So, let's knock that pan over. Okay. Show what it looks like. Like that. And then I just grab our chicken that's been marinating for 24 hours. That's what he looks like. And then I just take the juices. Again, I'm going to take all the trimmings out of the bowl, because we're going to do that. And we're going to mix them up. We're going to put some seasoned salt, pepper, and paprika. We're also going to put a bay leaf. So we're going to use our pepper here. It's going to season the water. Like this, I should just like that. And then a little bay leaf in there. And I just squish it up. Like that. And a little bit of our Hungarian paprika. And then here's what I do. Take a spoon. And squish it around. Because we're going to use these juices to make our rice. That's what we're going to do. Like that. We're going to put him in the oven for about a couple hours. Let him bake, and then when he's done, I'll debone him, and I'll come back after deboning the chicken, and I'll show you the broth and how we make our the rice and how we make it and what we use. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. God bless everybody. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.